Reverse insulin resistance. After 50, exact daily plan. After 50, the body often responds differently to sugar, stress, and daily routines. Insulin resistance becomes more common, and many seniors start to notice stubborn weight, mid-afternoon fatigue, and brain fog that were not there before. This is not about complicated medical steps. It is about small daily actions that gently help the body respond better to insulin again. Simple habits around movement, food, and sleep can make a real difference. On thevitatrack.com, we share easy meal ideas, printable guides, and routines that support seniors in rebuilding their health at their own pace. Today's countdown will reveal the exact daily plan to reverse insulin resistance step by step, starting from habit number 7 down to habit number 1, which is the most powerful change of all. 7. Start your day with movement, not sugar. When insulin resistance builds, the body struggles to handle a sudden morning spike in blood sugar. For many, the first thing they reach for is toast, coffee with sugar, or a sweet cereal. That can set the day on a roller coaster of energy highs and crashes. One of the simplest yet most powerful steps to reverse this is to gently move your body before that first bite. Even a 10-minute walk around your home or a light stretch routine wakes up the muscles and makes them more sensitive to insulin. Muscles act like sponges, pulling in glucose and lowering blood sugar naturally. Seniors who build this as a daily habit often notice fewer energy crashes by mid-morning. You do not need to push yourself or sweat heavily. Consistency matters more than intensity. A light stroll, simple arm raises, or chair exercises are enough to send a signal to your body to use sugar better. Over time, this morning movement becomes a powerful signal that resets the way your body handles glucose, helping you feel steady and more alert throughout the day. 6. Eat balanced breakfasts that favor protein. A breakfast high in sugar and starch can make insulin resistance worse. In contrast, a breakfast rich in protein and healthy fats helps keep blood sugar stable for hours. Eggs, cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, or even a small handful of nuts can provide the slow energy seniors need. Fiber from vegetables or a slice of whole grain toast adds gentle support. Denise, a 67-year-old retired nurse, once started her day with pastries and coffee. She felt tired by 10 a.m. and craved more sugar. With her doctor's guidance, she began having scrambled eggs with spinach and half an avocado. Within 3 weeks, her afternoon fatigue started to fade. She also noticed her fasting glucose numbers improving. The reason is simple. Protein slows the release of sugar into the bloodstream and supports steady energy. Seniors often fear changing routines, but these are small, easy adjustments. A stable morning meal helps set the tone for the rest of the day, keeping insulin balanced and energy strong. 5. Add regular walking breaks after meals. One of the fastest ways to lower blood sugar after eating is to use the energy you just consumed. A short 10 to 15-minute walk after each main meal helps muscles absorb glucose without demanding more insulin from the body. This simple habit is often overlooked, yet it can be transformative. Think of it as gently training your body to use sugar more efficiently. Seniors who walk after meals often report better energy, less bloating, and fewer sugar crashes. You do not need to go to the gym or walk miles. A relaxed stroll in your hallway, around your block, or even inside your house is enough. Over time, this post-meal movement improves how your cells respond to insulin. Many seniors find that this one daily action leads to measurable improvements in their blood sugar readings. It also supports heart health, joint mobility, and mental clarity. Walking after meals is like giving your body an extra tool to handle glucose more smoothly. 4. Prioritize high-quality sleep every night. Poor sleep is one of the most underestimated triggers of insulin resistance. When you sleep less than 7 hours or have restless nights, your body becomes less sensitive to insulin the next day. Cortisol levels rise, and hunger hormones get disrupted, leading to sugar cravings and fatigue. Many seniors think this is just part of aging, but it is not. Creating a calming bedtime routine can help reset sleep cycles. Dim lights an hour before bed, avoid large late-night meals, and keep the room cool. Gentle breathing exercises or reading can help the mind relax. Better sleep helps your body repair and reset overnight, making it more responsive to insulin in the morning. Over time, improved sleep can lead to more stable blood sugar and steadier energy. If sleep issues persist or come with symptoms like loud snoring or pauses in breathing, talk to a healthcare professional. Addressing sleep is not a luxury. It is a key part of reversing insulin resistance. Joining our YouTube membership gives you access to printable daily plans, habit trackers, and gentle guided routines designed especially for seniors. You'll also find a supportive wellness community that keeps you motivated every day. 3. Manage stress before it manages you. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which makes insulin resistance worse. Many seniors face hidden stress, loneliness, health concerns, or daily responsibilities. These pressures keep the body in a state of alert, making blood sugar harder to control. Evelyn, a 72-year-old grandmother, noticed her fasting sugar creeping up despite healthy eating. Her doctor suggested she add stress-lowering routines like deep breathing and short evening walks. Within 2 months, her numbers improved and she felt calmer. Gentle stress relief does not have to be complicated. Listening to soothing music, gardening, praying, meditating, or simply sitting in quiet can all help lower cortisol. When cortisol drops, the body can respond to insulin more effectively. Seniors who build stress management into their day often find it easier to stick to their health routines. This is not about perfection, but about steady, small steps that make the body feel safe and balanced again. 2. Focus on strength, not just cardio. While walking is powerful, building muscle is one of the most effective ways to reverse insulin resistance. Muscle tissue uses glucose even when you are at rest. Seniors often lose muscle with age, which makes it harder for the body to handle sugar. Gentle resistance exercises such as lifting light hand weights, using resistance bands, or even doing bodyweight moves like wall push-ups help build strength without strain. You do not need to train like an athlete. A few sets of simple movements 3 times a week can make a difference. Over time, this added muscle becomes a natural sugar sponge, lowering blood glucose and improving insulin sensitivity. Strength training also improves bone health, balance, and mobility. It helps seniors feel stronger and more independent. Adding even a little strength work to your week is a key piece of this daily plan to reverse insulin resistance and support lasting health. 1. Stop late-night snacking. Late-night snacking is one of the hidden habits that make insulin resistance worse, especially after 50. When you eat close to bedtime, your body must process sugar while your metabolism is slowing down. This leads to higher fasting glucose levels in the morning and increased insulin levels over time. James, a 69-year-old retiree, had a habit of eating crackers and cheese while watching television at night. His doctor suggested he set a firm kitchen-closed time at 8 p.m. and sip herbal tea instead. Within 4 weeks, his morning glucose readings improved and his waistline started to shrink. Seniors often underestimate the power of this small shift. Stopping food intake a few hours before sleep gives the body time to process energy efficiently. It also supports better sleep quality and balanced hormones. Over time, this single habit can make a noticeable difference in insulin sensitivity and overall well-being. The daily plan to reverse insulin resistance does not require harsh diets or exhausting exercise. It is built on small, consistent steps that seniors can follow with confidence. At thevitatrack.com, we share clear guides and gentle routines that help make these steps easier to follow. Joining our YouTube membership gives you early access to new plans, extra printables, and a supportive senior community that celebrates your progress every step of the way. Your body can change at any age, and today is a good day to begin.